because of what is happening here. Yesterday I was having a function at the White House. I'm being called that my people's houses are being demolished. When I asked, I was told there was court order. What court order is there to demolish? Number one, I'm not mincing my words. Hii shamba ya Portland, sio ya Portland.
Mama zangu waheshimiwa wameongea. Na ukiangalia mahali economy ya Kenya imefika. Leo hii my heart goes to those whose properties were destroyed. Leo hii kujenga nyumba ya room moja ni gharama
of extracting the raw materials. But what they have attempted to do now is to take back that land and then sell it so that they can pay off debts which they have incurred as a result of doing poor management of their business.
Hapa tunaambiwa tunajengewa affordable housing. Hizo affordable housing zinajengewa kina nani? Kama wale wako na nyumba wanabomolewa manyumba. Ni nani watakuja kukaa kwa hizo manyumba? Na sisi hatujakataa dialogue, hatujakataa kuongea na mtu. Yeah, and I spoke to His Excellency this morning.
Familia zinaenda kulala nje, familia mingi sana. Manyumba za watu zimeanguka, zimewekwa chini. Actually, muna mtu yote anajua kila ambacho kinaendelea. So, tunauliza kwanza our able president, maana umekuwa hapa. Ulituahidi ya kwamba kuna nyumba ya mtu ambaye itaangushwa chini kama hawajakubaliana.
He did not have any notice. Normally we'd receive notice. By law that should be 21-day notice. That did not happen at all. This morning I received news that there were soldiers, policemen who were poured into this place, and when they did come, in a few short hours, what then I began to hear was that they are pulling houses down.
Hao machiama ndio wametufanya sisi tumekuwa ni wenyeji hapa. Waliweza kutupea mashamba hapa, wengine tumefanya kuuziwa, wengine wametoka mbali wamekuja huku, wengine ni madugu zetu na mandada zetu.